Hey guys, here's one more example of how to use the manipulatives and use your math fact knowledge to help you solve the problem. So this one is 46 divided by 6. So I need 46 total pieces. I'm going to make groups of 6. So I'm going to start by getting 46 total pieces. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Need 46. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Alright, so I'm going to move these about. And I know I need either 6 equal groups or I need to make groups of 6. So I'm going to make groups of 6 because this is already a group of 6. So that's a group of 6. I'm going to break these apart so I can move these pieces around. Like I'm just going to go through and start highlighting 6 at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to grab those. There's another group. That's 2 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6. 4 groups of 6. 5 groups of 6. Let's keep going. Got 4. Let's back in. It's another group of 6. Oh, we didn't grab them. Another group of 6, and then this is not 6. This is 4 left over. So let's look here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 6 and 4 remainders. So my answer would be, right, I have 7 groups of 6 with 4 left over, right? So another way that you would write that is I would have 7 remainder 4. So that is the answer here, 7 remainder 4. So that's how I could solve it using those pieces, but I also want to show you how to use and solve this using your multiplication facts. I did an example on the other page, but let's take a look at this one. So if I have 46 divided by 6, I'm going to write it this way under our little division house here, 46 divided by 6. And since I know I'm making groups of 6, I'm going to go ahead and list off my multiplication facts of 6. So you guys are going to have to help me. So if I had one group of 6, how many pieces would that be? 6, right? If I had 2 groups of 6, that would be 12, right? If I had 3 groups of 6, that would be 18. And if I'm not sure, I could check back to my problem I have, right? One group of 6 is 6. 2 groups of 6, count them, 12. Look, 3 groups of 6, 18. 4 groups of 6 is going to be how much? It's going to be 24. Let's keep going. 4 groups of 6 is 24. Remember, I have 46 total pieces. All right, how much is 5 groups of 6 going to be? It's going to be 30. If I had 6 groups of 6, that would be 36. So I can still do 6 groups. So I have 36 pieces. Remember, I've got 46 pieces, so I can make all of these. 7 groups of 6 would be 42. So I can make 7 groups because I've got 42. But look at this. If I wanted to make 8 groups of 6, I would need how many pieces? 8 groups of 6, or 8 times 6 is what? 48. So to make 8 groups of 6, I would need 48 pieces. And what is my total? How many pieces do I have? I only have 46 pieces. So do I have enough to make an 8th group? No, I don't have enough to make an 8th group, and I could tell by looking at this, right? So if I look at this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. Did I have enough for this 8th group? No, I didn't have enough for this 8th group, right? I only had 4 pieces, and I need groups of 6. So I know I don't have enough for that 8th group. So I know I can't make this 8th group. What's the most number of groups that I can make? Is 7. So I know I can make 7 groups This was our total. And how many pieces did I use to make those 7 groups? Well, what was 7 times 6? I used 42 pieces. So if I take those 42 pieces out, it should give us how many pieces I had left over. So 46 minus 42 is 4. And guess what? These are our 4 leftover pieces that I have right here. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I know my 6 groups, my groups of 6, I had 7 of them. So all of these was 42 pieces. And if I take those away, I know I am left with my 4 leftover pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like this. My answer is still the same thing. I have 7 groups with a remainder of 4. So the answer still is 7, remainder 4. So when you guys are working on your problems, you can use still the base 10 blocks if you need to, but I want you to start practicing listing off your multiplication facts like this, and it will help you kind of practice solving using your multiplication facts.